spend just a couple of minutes demystifying meditation. I know some people have the idea that meditation is a philosophy or a religion, or requires adhering to a certain dogma or maybe a particular lifestyle, like strange lifestyle, to be able to meditate. Actually, none of this is true. Meditation is simply an experience. It's an experience of subtler and subtler states of thought, subtler and subtler states of mind, until we transcend the subtlest, and then the mind simply abides in its own nature. So this is what meditation is. It's not a philosophy, it's not a religion. There's no dogma to it. You don't have to believe in anything particular. You don't have to adhere to any particular lifestyle to enjoy the benefits of this deep state of peace and restful alertness of meditation. Now, another obstacle that I know people have with meditation is they think it's very difficult, that somehow you have to be able to clear your mind of thoughts. You have to be able to, somehow achieve a superconscious state. Okay, first of all, let's take this thought idea, that somehow when you meditate, you mustn't have any thoughts. I like to think of the mind as like an ocean. And up to this point, we've been hanging out on the surface of the ocean, going from wave to wave to wave, thought wave to thought wave to thought wave. And we take our thoughts very seriously. So we're very invested in our thoughts, which means that we're bound by them. So it's literally like getting bounced from wave to wave to wave. Now that's how we spend most of our waking life. But once we begin to meditate, what happens is we start to sink beneath the surface of that ocean, the ocean of the mind. And as soon as we go beneath the surface, we experience inner silence. We experience peace and calm. It doesn't mean necessarily that all the waves on the surface have to subside completely. They can be going on, but in the periphery. And still we're enjoying the silence of the depths of the ocean of the mind. So that's one way of looking at meditation. We don't have to stop thinking altogether. Of course, during meditation, there will be times when there will be no thought, and then the mind is simply abiding in its own nature, that state of pure awareness, pure being. But it's no obstacle to meditation that we don't have, that our mind is lively and filled with thoughts. One saint that I studied with in India liked to say that if you had to have a perfectly calm mind in order to meditate, that would be like saying you have to have perfect health in order to go to the doctor. Obviously, that's not the case. Meditation is for those of us who have minds that are filled with thoughts. So it's for all of us. And I've actually taught even children to meditate, children as young as 5, 6 years old. So meditation is, another thing about it is that it's very easy. What's easy about it is that meditation is natural. When something's natural, what that means is that nature does it. We don't have to do it. So if nature's doing it, then it's effortless for us, because nature's making the effort. You know, if you pick up something and you drop it, you don't have to push it to the ground, it just falls to the ground. Just like that in meditation, we don't have to do it. We just take the right direction and let go, and then the nature meditates for us. So meditation is very easy. You don't have to worry about that. You don't have to worry about the fact that you have a mind filled with thoughts. That's the case for everyone. And everyone can meditate and get the benefits.